wanted to give a quick update on the whole situation with my son's dad not returning him on time per court order. It's been a few days just because if you have children and you're in a co-parenting situation, you know how when the kids with the other parent, well, at least for boys, when boys are with their dads and they come back, they go through this period of where you have to like recalibrate them back into the flow of things. You know what I'm saying? Like they be a little turnt. I was just spending quality time with him. He did come back Friday morning, but Friday morning we also had our emergency motion for court regarding the situation. Now, court is still Zoom court, okay? So the court time was at 9 a.m. It was about, no lie, probably close to 30 people in this one courtroom. So the judge was super agitated, you know what I'm saying? Some cases she had not even prepped herself on, etc., etc. I waited around for 2 hours for her to basically, be like, what's up with this? Why did you do this? Like she's talking to my son's dad, I'm trying to help you in this situation, but you trying to help yourself and that's not going to work. It's basically what she told him. He was smirking as if it was funny and everything. The GAL, which stands for guardian ad litem, that's the child's lawyer. He was kind of agitated and he actually said that the whole situation, that this was a waste of time, which I felt a way about that because nothing regarding my son's whereabouts and safety is a waste of time, especially when I'm paying you money to ensure that the right decisions are being made on his behalf. Like, granted, his dad has not paid anyone. You know what I'm saying? So that may be why he said this is a waste of time, but don't let that have a bearing on the way that you feel about the situation. You know what I'm saying? But it was very frustrating because you guys will not believe this man sat in court and lied and said that, well, he wasn't at the hotel that he gave me the information for because it was in his mom's name, that he drove to St. Louis to get his mom to bring her to Chicago. Lie. And the reason that I keep saying lie is because my baby already told me that he spent a long time in the car, that he was around all his family members in St. Louis, and he also said that my daddy told me that I can't tell my business or else I won't see him anymore. Why would you put that on a 5-year-old? You understand what I'm saying? Like, it's just all of these irrational things that he does to put our child in an uncomfortable situation. And I didn't drill our kid. I was just talking to him like, tell me about your trip, you know what I'm saying? Or tell me about your visit and all these different things. And he was hesitant at first, but I'm his mom. Of course he's going to tell me. Like, that my son had a 2-inch gash on his knee and all type of scratches. Don't lie. Like, the fact that a man would sit under oath and make false physical abuse allegations, basically, or false neglect allegations, it blows my mind, especially coming from someone who did not grow up with their mom, who did not grow up with their dad. You feel me? So, like, what is it about certain men that puts them in a space to be able to do that? Like, are you that whatever? Like, I'm not gonna make assumptions about what it is that you're feeling, but to lie on your son's mom, the parent that is stable, the parent that is actually providing for him, the parent that sits up with him when he's sick, the parent that provides for him, like, you don't do Nathan. You feel me? So this whole experience and this process is going on 3 years. It'll be going on 3 years in December of this year. So it's very draining and tiring. Man, like, guys, please, please, please go to marriage counseling before you get married. Like, if you feel that something isn't right, or if there's just something that is not changing or working, don't go through with it, because it is truly a contract, a business contract that takes a lot to get out of when children are involved. So, we have court again in about 2.5 weeks. Hopefully, this will all be over. But yeah, I just want to come give a quick update. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good day.